Hello, this is Steve Powers. Today I am going to have a little challenge here. I want to figure out the pens and pencils that I use and markers. I want to see which are water soluble and which aren't. This way it allows me to mix with my watercolor. Sometimes you do the pencil work first, of course, that's what I do. And sometimes you can ink it in and then color it, or sometimes you go in after the fact and ink it in, or a mixture of both. So knowing which ones are water soluble or not is very important. So let's go into time lapse so we can look at these pens and pencils and see which ones are water soluble. So let's now go into time lapse so we actually do not watch the paint dry. All right, let's see where this leaves us. Our results are that the uh, Bic Velocity pens bled the least. And after that, you can see, I mean, there was a decent amount of water used on each one of these. I was cleaning off the rag, so I was doing it. But the Copics and the Pigment, the Micron, I should say, Copic and the Micron markers did pretty well. So the Pentel and Pilots were very water soluble, which isn't a bad thing. So if you want to do a quick shading, you actually can with a little bit of water on your finger and rub it in. It's great for sketching, and all these pens are actually comfortable to work on. I really do like the velocities. Um, but I do go to the Polychromos and the Prismacolor quite a bit because I don't get that shiny effect with that I would get with graphite, and it will go black. Graphite will only go dark gray. So considering most of my sketches start off with graphite, and then I will paint over them or ink them and then paint. It's a matter of preference at that point. It's nice to know that um, whatever you use, some of it could be water soluble, some may not be. Depending on what you want to do, you got to use it mixed media, in good relation to each other. So hopefully you can get an idea of what works well with water and what doesn't, or how it reacts with water, I should say. Um, but you can do this with your own tests. I mean, I just used what was available to me and ones that I've used over the years. I keep going back to. But let's wrap it up there. Again, you can do this yourself, and it's a great way to do it. And hopefully you found some useful information here. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.